Decisions, decisions. Buying the right rug just got easier. The Persian carpet is the rug expert. We ask customers all the right questions, including which room, style, color, and size. We encourage customers to bring in pictures, fabrics, a cushion, or anything else that would be helpful in selecting a new rug. Knowing the dimensions of a space is useful, but knowing the desired size is actually best. Consider color carefully. Our staff has an encyclopedic knowledge of rugs in the market. We can find complementary colors that work perfectly with your space. Last, think about style and design, yours and the rug's. If you want a casual or informal feel, consider a transitional or contemporary rug. For formal spaces, plan for a traditional rug. No matter where you are on your rug buying journey, we can help you get there.